Alright eBay, what we have here is a 1978 GMC two-door short bed Pro Street race truck rebadged as a Chevrolet. It's got a 383 stroker engine in it, custom paint, red with a black underlay. Custom removable top, shaved door handles, custom Chevrolet bow tie tonneau cover, more so on-off ignition switch, dual flow masters, custom built box in the bed, 10-gallon fuel cell, .250 shot of nitrous, MT racing slicks, street legal. Top has a custom Chevrolet bow tie emblem as a rear window. Fuel meter built in on the cowl hood. There's the 383 stroker, Edelblark RPM headers, police siren, MSD ignition, custom red and black interior, 5-point racing harnesses for both the driver and passenger seat, 5-inch autometer tack, monster tack, B&M shifter, working gauges, police sirens, Kenwood stereo, the MTX subwoofer, get inside here, listen to this thing rev up. This sounds excellent. Runs great. If you have any questions, please contact Rob Spivey or Jim Busey. Feel free to email. Thank you.